So here's a look at everything that you're going to get inside the Miss Fantasy sticker collection here. I like that it comes with these directions so you know how to make sure that they stick as long as possible. And right off the bat, we're getting lots of cute stickers here in Elf with bells and holly, candles, more flowers, candy canes, a little stuffed bear, some ornaments, and a Christmas present here. We also get a lot of what looks like snowflakes and other kinds of decorations here. We'll get those up on the window so you get a better view of them. Same thing with this one. It looks like you get a little wintry town right here, more snowflakes as well. Here we get a really cute snowman wearing this little snowman hat. That's super cute. Here we're going to get a Rudolph and a lot more snowflakes and things like that. On this one, we've got a gingerbread man. We get a Merry Christmas with a wreath. We get some presents here, more bells, candy canes, a bow. Not totally sure what this is. Oh, it looks like a bag of presents, maybe. And here is our Santa Claus. He looks really cute. Look at that beard on him. Really nice. Some more snowflakes as well. And then in this last one here, you're going to get a lot more snowflakes and some other things. It says Merry Christmas. There's some stripes, a reindeer, some presents, a whole bunch of different ornaments and stuff like that. And I'll show you these on the window so you get a better look at them. So here's just an example of one of those larger stickers there. It has the one with the reindeer and the bells and the little Christmas tree and the Merry Christmas symbol. And I have that stuck onto the back of the toilet tank here, so it sticks on ceramic like that. And here's another one right here. It's a Christmas tree shaped object, and it's just a bunch of like ornaments and reindeers and little trees like that. And then the other one that I was telling you about that looks like a little city landscape there. That's really cute too. So overall, a great set of Christmas stickers. I really like them. They're easy to put together. They seem like they're going to last a long time. I think you'll like them too.